I'm Brandie Kristle. I'm a holistic practitioner, and I'm here to teach you about light language today. What is light language? Light language is a manifestation of your soul, and it is an expression of opening to higher consciousness. When you begin to tap into higher states of consciousness and you've been on the healing journey or studying advanced metaphysics, you'll begin to start to feel and sense waves of energy. This can bubble up within you, and you begin to speak soul language, or light language as I call it. You begin to express yourself in these higher levels of awareness that can help heal, shift, and uplift you. When you begin to open up to soul language or light language, you may start by speaking seed words or toning with vowels. You can begin to tone your vowels by saying a, I, U. It's incredibly important to begin with grounding and centering exercises as you're opening up to higher levels of consciousness, and as you begin to speak light language, following energy medicine or techniques that can help you to strengthen your immunity will help you to stay centered and balanced while you are opening your mind to these levels of expression. Your soul will begin to express yourself, and you can just let it flow. I have so much to teach you. Like, follow, and subscribe for more.